Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm very delighted to showcase a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees. Varamahalakshmi festival is just a couple of weeks away, and we are very excited to showcase the most beautiful colors and designs in Kanjivaram silk sarees. So let's get started with our Varamahalakshmi edit. We begin with the most auspicious color combination of Manjal Kungumam, that is in a beautiful red and mustard yellow. This is a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk saree. The body is in a beautiful chili red kind of color and there are circular zari buttas all over the body. The borders are in a lovely auspicious mustard red and it has two rows of zari. It's a rettapete zari border and it's a Korvai Kanjivaram. You can see the joining where the body and the borders are being joined using the Korvai technique. The gorgeous mustard yellow pallu of this beautiful sari has intricate zari weaving and we have motifs of elephants, that is Yana, then we have flying horse, that is Pegasus, and beautiful Pakshi motifs, all done in zari. This Kanjivaram silk saree is revived from a design from the 80s and 90s. It has a mustard yellow blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely traditional jewelry like an attical to create a beautiful festive look. Another beautiful revival design, this one is also a Korvai and it's in a lovely combination of a beautiful deep rani pink and navy blue. The body of this beautiful sari has all over meenakari work in zari and navy blue. You can see the meenakari zari buttas in diamond shape all over the body. And the borders are Korvai borders. The body and the borders are interlocked using the Korvai technique and it's a rettapete zari border. The pallu in blue is a work of art and it has beautiful motifs in zari of yali, retamayil, that is twin peacocks, Banaras motifs that are diagonal stripes and floral motifs. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in blue. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. The next sari is a beautiful rust orange Kanjivaram silk sari with all over checks or cotton. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of rust orange and there are all over cuttons or checks in green. The borders are rettapete borders with Rudraksha motifs done in zari. There is a beautiful short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely sari. The pallu of this gorgeous sari has seepareku done in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric like this in the same rust orange color. You can either pair it with its own blouse or with a green blouse and accessorize it with some lovely emerald or jade jewelry. The Kanjivaram I am going to show you now is a very pretty and very festive Kanjivaram silk sari with all over tiny checks. This is one of my favorite saris from today's collection because it's so simple yet so beautiful and you can easily wear it to work or for small occasions. The body of the sari has all over podi kattam, that is very tiny checks in a combination of deep rani pink and a very pastel mint green. So from afar it looks like off-white and pink. The sari doesn't have borders but it has a tissue selvage here in zari like this. The pallu of this lovely sari is in a very deep rani pink and it has seepa done in zari. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some ruby jewelry or some beaded jewelry to create a lovely look. A pretty sari in peachish color, and this one is for threadwork sari lovers. This sari is in a delicious tutti frutti kind of color. It's a very pretty, very beautiful peachish color, and it has all over cuttams with threadwork buttas all over the body. The borders are in a combination of pink and green and they have beautiful threadwork motifs. The pallu of this beautiful sari has lovely threadwork in a combination of green and purple. The sari comes with a pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or in a blouse in green or purple or any of the colors from the border, and you can accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewelry. A very versatile and very simple and elegant Kanjivaram. This one is perfect for Onam, which is coming up soon. And this one is in an off-white color with simple zari stripes at the edges of the sari. The color of this sari is in a beautiful ivory or tussar kind of shade, and there is a silver colored zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of this elegant sari has beautiful silver colored zari stripes with small motifs on them. This is a very classy and very beautiful sari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but given that it's in an ivory color, it's so versatile that you can pair it with different colored blouses and accessorize it accordingly. For example, I would pair it with a deep magenta blouse and maybe accessorize it with some beaded jewelry. You could also pair it with maybe a bottle green blouse or a deep red blouse and pair it with some lovely jade jewelry or some ruby jewelry or any other coral or garnet kind of jewelry also. Up next, we have a very unique and very lovely sari. This one is woven with designs inspired by Bandhani designs of Kutch. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely shade of beige and it has all over designs which resemble the Bandhani designs done in Kutch. But unlike Bandhani, which is a tie and dye thing, these are actually woven onto the sari, and this is a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. So the borders are attached to the body using the Korvai technique. The pallu in a beautiful purple magenta has zari motifs, and there are gorgeous adai motifs of man, that is deer, mayil, that is peacock, kudara, that is horse, and yana, that is elephant. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some lovely diamond jewelry, and you're sure to look like a queen. Black is a bold and beautiful color, and when styled well, it is sure to make heads turn. We have a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in this lovely shade of black. The body of this beautiful sari has circular coin buttas done in zari all over the body, and the borders are in a mustardish color with zari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely mustardish color, and it has zari motifs of fish, banaras, that is diagonal lines, and mail chakram motifs. The sari comes with a mustardish blouse fabric, but I would suggest that you pair it with a beautiful golden tissue colored blouse to create a two-tone effect of black and gold. Pair it with some beautiful gold jewelry or diamond jewelry and create a spectacular effect. Our spectacular collection of festive Kanjivaram silk sarees is available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can directly purchase these sarees from our website. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos for this festive season. Till then, take care and bye.